Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 websites in which you can start making money online by simply reading. So if you're someone that enjoys reading books, then this video is definitely for you. Now, without wasting any more time, if you are new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I show content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we're going to be looking at the first website where you're going to get paid to review books, and this is completely free. So on this website, you're going to review books completely free. They won't charge you for actually sending you that particular book, and they won't charge you any subscription fee. So everything will be free for the reviewer, especially if you are the reviewer. Things are going to be free for you, or the books are going to be free for you on this website. You get to keep the book after you've read it, so you will get to keep that book for absolutely free on this website. Another thing that you should note about this website is that they are not pushing sales, so they don't really need a positive review, but they need your honest opinion about the book that you will be reading. So here it says you don't have to say you loved the book if you didn't. So if you didn't love the book, you simply have to state the reasons why you did not love the book, and you're still going to get paid for that. So the payout range for this website ranges between $5 and $60 per review. So if it happens that you've reviewed 2 books within 2 weeks, that's $120 into your bag. Now, the thing about this website is that you won't get rich overnight, and it is not something that you can leave your day job for. This is simply a side hustle because you won't always be getting jobs. It's not something that you can actually do on the daily basis. So please take note of that when you sign up to this website. The sign up process for this website is actually simple. You simply need to put in your email address, confirm that you are a human by typing the word free, submit your application form. They will send you an email for you to continue with the application process and actually start reading books on their website. The website that I'm talking about, or this type of website, is called onlinebookclub.org. This is their homepage, and these are the books that you're going to be reading. They've got kiddies books, fiction, non-fiction, and so on and so forth. So these are the books that you're going to be reading, and you need to say your honest opinion in order for you to actually earn more on this website. Get the link down in the description box for this website, or you can simply write the name of the website down on your notepad. It is called onlinebookclub.org. Moving on to the second website. And for the second website, we've got this website right here called Book Browse. With Book Browse, you're also going to become a reviewer. The nice part about this website is that you're going to be reading books from top authors for absolutely free, and you're going to be the first person to read these books before they get to the market. It is important that you read this paragraph here before you start with the application process as a reviewer. I'm not really sure how much you're going to get paid on this website. It was not stated, but you are going to get paid to become a reviewer. Here it states that our reviewer tends to write about 1 review a month for us and receive a byline and modest payment. So I'm not really sure how much they pay, but you are going to get paid to become a reviewer. So you will get paid to do what you love, which is reading books or reading novels. They are an international company, but the problem is they won't be able to send you a hard copy if you are outside of the US. So if you are in the US, they will be able to send you a hard copy. But if you are outside of the US, they will be able to make other alternatives by sending you an ebooks. Right? If you are comfortable with that, you can then continue with the application process, and you can start reading books on this website. So the application process is quite simple, not really simple, but simple. you need to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your location, and where did you hear about Book Browse. You can simply say Mpokende's YouTube channel, and then you come here and continue with what they have asked and fill out those blank spots right there. And then you come here to where it says thank you, click to submit and submit your application process, your application form, sorry. And then they will send you an email for you to verify your account, and then you're good to go to get started reading books on this website. It is quite a very simple website, and it is really nice, right? Now moving on to the third website, but before doing so, if you find value in this video, simply hit the like button down below so that this video can reach more people that are looking to make money online. And if you have not smashed the subscribe button, simply smash it now with the 2 seconds that we have. Now to the third website, to the third and last website, we've got this website right here called Discovery. Now with Discovery, you are also going to be reading books and you're going to become a reviewer. So if you're someone that is passionate about reading books or becoming a book reviewer, this is one of the platforms that you can get started. Especially if you are a beginner, you can get paid for doing what you love, which is reading books. So for this website, how much you're going to get paid is quite a little. You're going to get rewarded for your work. The payment ranges between $1 and $5 on this website. So if you are a beginner, you're going to get paid $1, and then as you become advanced, you're going to get all the way up to $5. The application process for this website is not really simple, but you need to come here to where it says apply to become a reviewer. Click there. You will be prompted to a place where you will start with the application process. It is important that you go back to the email that you used to apply to verify your account so that you get started. Enough has been said, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.